they are really grown. There and we walk down this side. So Chief, great to have you here. You see, one of the big problems we have is that people did not care about the goats. The goats, I guess even some cows were moving in. They were eating up all the fruit trees. So this is one of the big problems we have. The fencing was not completed, and that is one of the big problems.
Wurin digging a gyara da wannan pipe nan a gyara wannan shine problem shi matasa inda ko wani abubuwa nan da an kaga an kakkauyin shi da wani abu ya san bai faru haka ba. Mun shuka doro mun samu amfani doro, mun shuka dawa mun samu amfani dawa, mun shuka rufi, mun shuka kafanji, mun shuka wake yes din dan baki din kamar kafanji din. Mun samu dankali, mun samu ruban shi.
Who is going to start now in the next rainy season with this kind of system? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! You all want to start?
Yes, sir.
Congrats! Huh? I'm very happy to hear that. See, we also have made some mistakes. We have learnings that are coming out of this implementation. So we did not have enough cassava to plant together with the trees. That's something we'll do at the beginning of next year, because it's an important crop you have. The goal of these structures is also to grow fodder for the cows and for the goats. So we have planted some grasses. See, some they are sprouting. When we are looking to that, here, you see, it's sprouting, it's green, and we are not irrigating it. It can grow in the dry season. Now it takes 1 year until it multiplies. With the next rain, the grasses, they will multiply and they grow up to this height. And then you can cut, you can plant it again, and then you have seeds for free, seedlings for free. No need to buy. That's why this is a plant nursery. Huh? That's a very important part of the whole structure. All fruit trees again, so that will be a work we have to do. And we just try to integrate all these learnings into the planting with the young generation now. And I just would like to say thank you to you that you have mobilized the youth now, and we are looking forward to collaborate with the youth of your village. When we are looking at the landscape here, a major problem when we have bare soils is actually the impact on the climate. There is almost no water stored, and we only have evaporation happening. So that's actually what we call the blue water cycle. We only have evaporation. Nothing is coming back. It's a one-way situation. So it's drying up. And first of all, we have wind erosion. Wind speed is increasing when the heat is moving upwards. And we are getting more and more problems. When the first rains will come, it will not be able to enter into the soil. So we have, for the first few minutes, there will be massive erosion and the topsoil is being washed away. There are little hopes we can see. As I was explaining several times concerning specific plants that are able to grow without any irrigation, even under such kind of conditions. And our goal is actually to bring this barren land into greenery back again, that we have perennial greenery on this landscape. Because when we see here surrounding, 90% of the whole land is bare. As we can see, our cows are still eating the green fodder. So actually we can still grow enough grasses during the dry season that all our cows are getting daily the green fodder. This is one of our primary goals. We want to show how we actually can grow the fodder the whole year. So our cows are really enjoying it to get every day fresh food. Here we have a look at the grass management. See, one of the big mistakes we have done here, we were cutting the grasses too late. So it is very important that whenever we have to deal with grasses, we have to cut them before they start flowering, before they start becoming brown, that they still have the energy to regrow. The nitrogen goes into the air, back from where it came. It goes back to the air instead of going down to the soil to help to recycle the nutrients. So it is most important things, and I see it again and again. Don't put the green one on top of the dry one. Put it under the dry ones. This is an unirrigated structure in the Brazilian system, where we have 3 rows accompanied by the grasses. We have an outside temperature of roughly 35 degrees, and the last rain we have had a bit more than 3 months ago. And this grass here, we can see it was cut about 3 weeks ago, and we see how it regrows. The greenery is very interesting, and napier grass, even in this heat, without any irrigation, it grows. To show the difference in this row, the last cutting is about 5 weeks ago. So we see the height of the grass, the regrowth is quite substantial. So we actually just can harvest the grass in the next few days again. Pigeon bee plays a very important role actually in the dry areas. We are now in the middle of the dry season, and what we see here, this plant starts sprouting in the middle of the dry season, which is a miracle in the dry season. And now we start slowly understanding why this plant plays an important role, because the longer the dry season lasts, and the more greenery we will have from this plant.
Here we have bananas who are covering the mango, and as a result of this covering the mango will not have access to the sun, and it will affect the flowers. Now we are going to start by removing all the leaves that are covering, that are providing shade to the mango. After that, then all the leaves that we will collect from the banana will be used as biomass to the mango and some of the other fruit trees that are around the mango.